The Huawei Watch GT4 is a smartwatch with a wide range of features, including health and fitness tracking. The watch can track your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep quality, stress levels, and more. Navigation. The watch has a built-in GPS and can be used to navigate without your phone. Smart features. The watch can receive notifications from your phone, make and receive calls, and control music playback. Design. The watch has a sleek and stylish design with a stainless steel case and a variety of band options. In addition to the features listed above, this watch also has several other features, such as Voice Assistant. The watch supports voice commands from both Amazon Alexa and Huawei Celia. NFC. The watch can be used for contactless payments. Battery life. The watch has a battery life of up to 14 days in typical use.